am Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great idea from my good friends at Slate Group in Lubbock, Texas. This is a folded self-mailer, a creative format that they pitched to designer Felicia Weaver of Arkansas Tech University. She loved it and created a really engaging layout around this. I think you're really going to like this. This is a folded self-mailer. Here's the mailing panel, and they did use a high-tech, low-tech tape to seal it shut really well, but also so that there was no, peeling up of the ink or tearing. This has a die cut window, a layered die cut window on the cover. It says success is an attitude, a mindset, a decision, a commitment, a promise, each time showing through. Success is a belief that it can be done, should be done, and will be done. George Acomas Jr. Success is finding out you were admitted to Arkansas Tech University. Congratulations, welcome to the family. So this also, when it opened, had a vinyl window cling adhered over here with a glue dot. So it was right there, so it couldn't, jump into the window at all. And just a really nice thing for them to peel off and to keep. So paper for this is a FOW 100-pound matte cover. These were printed offset on a Komori GL540 with LED UV inks and a Flood soft touch aqueous coating, so it feels great. These were die score hand fold. I also want to mention that there's a very subtle little back score at the top, 2 scores, about a 1/16 of an inch there. And that's just to accommodate this 100 cover, to make sure that there was no bulkiness there, and also because there's the vinyl cling. So it just gives it just enough lift, and that also allows these windows to align perfectly. So just beautifully engineered and executed and designed. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Rectangular iron cross self-mailer with die-cut layered window. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, diamonds, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.